Good morning, everyone.
मैम बुक कौन सी निकालनी है?
Speak in English, beta. Which book? I told you already. Ma'am, which book we should take out?
मैम
Yes, very good. Okay. In grammar, today's topic is chapter 3 kinds of sentences. Okay, in grammar book. Our topic is chapter 3 kinds of sentences. Okay. Now see. First of all, tell what is a sentence. Tell me what is a sentence. Who will tell? Diya? Yes, Diya, you tell.
The groups of words that makes a complete
Not
sentence.
groups of words. Group of words. Group of words. A group of
A group
words.
of words in proper order that makes a
Complete
complete sentence is called sentence.
Okay, you have already learned this, but today we will revise again. Okay, a group of words.
नंबर कौन सा निकालना है?
You see on the board and you can read page number 14. Okay, a group of words in proper order that makes a complete sense means when there is a group of words, many words are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words are in this group. This is a group of words. Okay, we have a group of words. But if that group of words, that these words are not arranged in proper order, this is not a sentence. Okay, जब तक वो proper order में नहीं होगा, that is not a sentence. When we will arrange this group in proper order, like see, here is grazing are cows in the field. This is not in proper order, not a complete sense. इसका कोई sense नहीं है ना? Not a complete sense. It has not a complete sense, meaning. उसका कोई meaning नहीं है. We can't speak like this a sentence. Grazing are cows in the field. This has not a complete sense. But when we will arrange this in proper order, first the cows, okay, noun. First of all, noun, the cows are grazing. Then verb, helping verb and verb. The cows are grazing. Then in the field, the cows are grazing in the field. गायें फील्ड में घास चर रही है. ग्रेजिंग मतलब घास चरना. So when we will say the cows are grazing in the field, this sentence has a complete sense. So this is called a sentence. This is also group of words. Many words are there. 3, 4 in a sentence. 3, 4, 5, 6. So many words will be there. But that these words should be in proper order. ये जब proper order में होंगे, then it is a sentence. It will be called a sentence. So the definition of sentence is a group of words in proper order that makes a complete sense. Okay, the definition is of a sentence. So is that clear? What is a sentence? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you learned? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, a group of words in proper order. You learn like this, a group of words. See, in your mind, you make a mind map. Means एक sentence क्या होता है? Mind map बनाओ. In your mind, a group of words, many words are there. Small, big, many words are there. Okay, 4 words, 5 words, 6 words can be there. Okay, group of words in proper order, and that these words will be in proper order. वो order में होने चाहिए. First of all noun, then helping verb, then objective. ये सब word उसमें order में होने चाहिए. Okay, so and makes a complete sense. And when we will read it, जब हम उसको पढ़ेंगे, when we will read it, it will be make a complete sense. उसका कोई sense निकलना चाहिए. That is called a sentence. Okay, you can make a mind map in your mind. When you will learn this, if you forget this definition, you revise it in your mind कि sentence there is a sentence, group of words. Okay, many words are there, a group of words, and it has a complete sense. इसका एक sense होना चाहिए, that is sentence. Okay, this is very simple. A group of words in proper order that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, so this is not a sentence, but when we will write in order, this will be make a sentence. Understood?
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am, today we do work in the class.
Which class?
Ma'am, English.
You understand only. I explain and you understand. You revise this only. Listen properly and revise only. Okay, we will
Okay,
revise. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
now next, is that clear? What is a sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
We come to the next point now. Okay, now kinds of sentences. Okay, kinds of sentence means sentence कितने तरह के होते हैं. Which types of sentence? How many types of sentences? Okay, kinds of sentence. There are 4 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentence. Here are 4 types of sentences. मीन्स जो हम एक सेंटेंस बोलते हैं उसके टाइप्स भी होते हैं. वो किस टाइप का सेंटेंस है? विच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज दिस? इन assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentence. 4 types of sentences we will read today. First of all, assertive sentence. Okay, who will tell what is assertive sentence? Okay. Okay. Apurva, you tell. Apurva, you tell. What is assertive sentence? Okay, Yogeshwari, you tell, beta. Yogeshwari, you tell what is assertive sentence.
Assertive sentence is the simple sentence.
Yes, very good. Simple sentence. As I told you already, a simple statement means when we say something to someone. जब हम किसी को कुछ बोलते हैं या बताते हैं. When we are telling something to someone. जब हम किसी को कुछ बताते हैं. Simple sentence like she is a good girl. I told to someone she is a good girl. Is that clear? ये डिक्लेयर हो गया, वो एक अच्छी लड़की है. इज दिस ये डिक्लेयर कर दिया मैंने कि वो एक अच्छी लड़की है. ये सिंपल स्टेटमेंट है. इसमें मैंने किसी से क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, किसी को ऑर्डर नहीं दिया. नो ऑर्डर, नो रिक्वेस्ट, नो क्वेश्चन. सो a simple sentence is a assertive sentence. Simple statement means, and in the end there is a full stop starting with capital letter and end with full stop. Okay, simple sentence जो होता है assertive sentence capital letter से start होता है and in the end we will put full stop. What we will put in the end?
Full stop.
Yes, what?
Full stop.
Full stop, not full stop. Full stop, speak like full stop. Okay, full stop. Next, children are playing and we have declared children are playing. This is a simple sentence कि इसमें किसी को पूछ रहा नहीं है, किसी को ऑर्डर नहीं दे रहा है. That is children are playing. Assertive sentence. We are going Mumbai next week. हम next week मुंबई जा रहे हैं. We are telling about something. हम किसी को कुछ बता रहे हैं. Simple statement. Okay, so this is also assertive sentence. These are called assertive sentences. Okay, these are called assertive sentences. Understood? Okay,
Yes.
now tell me one by 2-3 students will tell a assertive sentence. One assertive sentence first. Kathy, you tell. Kathy, fast, one assertive sentence. Tell. Simple sentence, simple statement. Yes, very good. Next, Diya, you tell. One simple sentence.
My brother is very quick.
Oh, very good. Okay, Apurva, you tell. Apurva, fast. One sentence, simple sentence.
Nisha is happy.
Okay, very good. Tanveer, you tell one sentence. Tanveer, think. Simple sentence. Any sentence you can speak. Okay, when we will read next interrogative sentence, then I will ask other students. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, is that clear? Assertive sentence is clear. Simple statement and in the end there is full stop. एक simple statement जहाँ पे last में full stop होता है, that is assertive sentence. These are called assertive sentence. Which sentence? Speak assertive sentence. Speak everyone. Assertive sentence.
Assertive sentence.
Yes, very good. Assertive sentence. These are called assertive sentences. Okay. Assertive. Okay. Now when you learn this, if you forget, you learn only in your mind that assertive means simple sentence. There is full stop in the end. Okay. Then you will remind this assertive sentence. This is assertive sentence. Okay. Is that clear? Rahul is in class 4. This is simple sentence. Rahul is in class 4. Rahul 4th class में है. I am telling to someone. सिर्फ मैं किसी को बता रही हूँ, declare कर रही हूँ. That is assertive sentence. His father is a farmer. उसके father एक farmer है. That is also a simple sentence. So this is called assertive sentence. Understood? Is that clear? Assertive sentence. Very good. Okay. Now come to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Now interrogative sentence. Now what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative. Yogeshwari, question. Very good. You all are very smart students. Okay. Interrogative sentence, question. Any type of question. We put question mark in the end. Okay. This mark, question mark in the end. Any sentence that is a question. कोई भी sentence जो एक question है, that is called interrogative sentence. Which sentence? Interrogative sentence. Yes. Okay. This sentence can start with what, which, where, why, when, how. These sentences can start from what, which, where, why, how. इन सब से start हो सकते हैं. And okay, do you have a pen? Do से start हो सकते हैं. Did से, have से, have you finished your work? Sometime we say, I ask sometime, have you finished your work? In the class, we ask, teacher asks sometime, have you finished your work? Have you done your work? पूछते हैं ना टीचर्स आपसे कभी कभी. Okay, so this is also question. So questions are always interrogative sentence. Question जो भी होते हैं वो interrogative sentence होते हैं. Okay. Now what? From what? Who will make a sentence? What से एक sentence बनाओ जल्दी से, fast. What is your name? This is so simple. What are you doing? Yes. What are you doing? What is your name? Okay. Very good. These are interrogative sentence. Now which? From which? From which? One by one. Okay, Anjali, one by one. Stop, please, stop. Anjali, you tell. From which? Which? Yes, which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite fruit? Okay, these are which sentence? Interrogative sentence. Okay, where? Where? Ritika, you tell where. Where are you going? Yes. Where are you going? Okay. Why? Why?
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing? Why are you making noise? Why are you crying? Okay. Why are you going there? Why are you going outside? These are all questions. So these are interrogative sentences. When? When? Okay. Do you have a pen? क्या आपके पास एक पेन है? Do you have a pen? So do से start होने वाले भी this is also question. So these are all interrogative sentences. Okay. Now anyone wants to tell a sentence? Interrogative sentence. You have some sentences. Janvi, you have? Will you tell? Will you tell one sentence, Janvi? Janvi. Start from why. Why?
Why are you going there?
Yes, why are you going there? When? When? Yes, Kathy. Kathy, what? Speak again, beta. When is your birthday? Yes, this is also question. Okay. So, have you understood? Interrogative sentences. The sentence will start from what, which, where, why, when, do, have, has, is, are, am. Which is your favorite fruit? Which is your favorite fruit? This is also a question. Is it raining outside? Because this sentence starts from is. अगर is से start हो रहा है, that is also a question. Is it raining outside? क्या बाहर बारिश हो रही है? Is it raining outside? क्या बाहर बारिश हो रही है? Okay, these are all interrogative sentence. Is that clear? Assertive and interrogative.
Yes,
Okay. Now come to the next imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, as I told you, what is imperative sentence? In the sentence, we give command, we do request, जिसमें okay, okay. First I explain, then you tell me. Okay, listen first, listen properly. When you give to someone command, जब हम किसी को order देते हैं, command देते हैं, when we request someone, तो वो होता है वो then we speak a sentence like go outside. Teacher said you go outside. Teacher ने आपको order दिया. Okay, हम किसी को command देते हैं, don't touch the wall. Don't touch the wall, ये हमने किसी को command दिया. Okay, हम किसी से request करते हैं, please give me your pen, please give me a glass of water, please give me this chair, please give me your pencil. Okay, can you give me your pencil? क्या आप मुझे, तो ये तो कैन से जब स्टार्ट करेंगे तो इंटेरोगेटिव हो गया, बट अगर हम प्लीज बोल के स्टार्ट करेंगे तो ये इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस बन जाएगा. ओके, लाइक प्लीज give me a pen. And what will we put here? Full stop. Very good. Full stop. Okay, this is full stop. So in this sentence also there is full stop, but don't confuse that which is assertive and which is imperative. Okay, you should say, you should speak the sentence first and see that in that sentence that is a simple statement or there is a command, request and order. आपको ये देखना है कि वहाँ पे कमांड है, रिक्वेस्ट है या ऑर्डर है. ओके, दैट डिसाइड दैट विच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज दिस, असर्टिव और इम्पेरेटिव, बिकॉज दीज आर सिमिलर. थोड़े थोड़े ये सिमिलर होते हैं ना, इसलिए यू कैन कन्फ्यूज. सो आपको ये देखना है देयर इज फुल स्टॉप एंड स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द capital letter, but you have to read the sentence properly, then decide that it is declarative या assertive sentence or imperative sentence. Okay, understood? Imperative.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone can tell an imperative sentence? Only one. Rudransh, you tell. You didn't tell. Rudransh, you tell one sentence only. Rudransh, no, Rudransh is not there. Okay, Khyati, you tell one sentence only. Okay, Diya, you tell. Diya,
Please close the window.
please close the window. Very good, very nice sentence. Please close the window. You are doing request. Okay, now order. One sentence of order. Khemesh, Khemesh, can you tell? Khemesh.
Ma'am.
Okay, Khyati, you tell. Khyati, shut the door. Okay, this is command. You are giving command to someone. Shut the door. Okay.
Please stand me.
Okay, so have you understood what a imperative sentence? When we request to someone, we give command or order or advice. जो कोई किसी को advice देता है ना, that is also imperative sentence. Okay, now next come 3 types of sentences we have learned.
It's explanatory sentence.
Okay, we come to the first point again. What is sentence? A group of words in proper order, because some students have joined late, so they can learn. A group of words in proper order that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Like the cows are grazing in the field. This is a group of words, but it is not in proper order. ये proper order में नहीं है. When we will arrange this, this is called, it will be a sentence. The cows are grazing in the field. Okay. Okay, I am writing 2 sentences. Okay, Ritika, make sentence. Is a girl she good? Is a girl she good? Ritika, this is a very simple sentence. Make she is a
good girl.
yes, very nice. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. Now this group of words has a complete sense. जब हम उसको ऐसे बोलेंगे, we will write she is she is a good girl, and here is full stop. Okay, this is full stop. So this is now a sentence. Okay, a group of words that has a complete sense is called a sentence. Is clear? Sentence and 3 types of sentence and 4 types interrogative sentence we will read in next class. Okay.